The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar basically is major areas of strength for ridiculously and unobtrusive way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 52 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in every way that really matters is floating at $1,634,185 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Nexo down roughly 0.74% inside the very most recent 24 hours, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 15 October 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time really clarified pressing issues, facts. What essentially is extremely momentary cost expectation for Nexo, in a real sense is Nexo an especially wise venture, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 52 cents in an unpretentious way. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723 in a truly significant manner. The really complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $16,142,267,714, exhibiting how Nexo down around 0.74% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which explicitly is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours in a kind of enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period, which basically is genuinely huge. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.36 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, showing how Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of huge way. These occasions for the most part show that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending course for pretty present moment, or so they by and large thought. Right now, a fundamentally broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is very critical. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically is very critical. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense, all the more really dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants especially become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unpretentious manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The sort of current Nexo cost certainly is 52 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,634,185 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, which especially shows that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in every practical sense. Let us for the most part discuss the kind of current economic situations, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 52 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. At present, Nexo generally is somewhere around 0.74% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $293,440,250 United States dollars, so Nexo down roughly 0.74% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for 15 October 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span, commonly made sense of underneath, in every way that really matters, further appearance how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, fundamentally let us explicitly discuss the all things considered, current economic situations. Exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 52 cents, or so they truly thought. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Nexo, showing that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours. Which most certainly is very critical. The Nexo for the most part has in every way that really matters, break all its by and large backings levels, and things especially are not looking especially great for the crypto market, which all things considered is very critical. Right now, truly bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take Nexo cost beneath the essential help level of 82 cents, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours in an extremely enormous manner. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 44 and is attempting to explicitly break out of the nonpartisanship zone. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situations, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 52 cents, which basically is very huge. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer for the most part is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, commonly signal especially is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, so however prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations. Exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 52 cents, or so they certainly thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining above of the sign line after a really certain hybrid, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph, so moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo market basically is given indications of being negative, and merchants by and large have the possibility to drive costs of the digital currency certainly lower in the very next fundamentally couple of days, which generally shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo basically